Yo, peep this. I think, watch this to the end. When you watch it to the end, you'll see. I think that this is how the temples was built. This is how we was doing stuff back in the day. I'm telling you. But check this out. Check him out. Check him out. You know, we can still do this kind of stuff today. Watch it to the end. Watch to the end. Check him out with these batteries. Check them out. Watch it to the end. Watch it to the end. You'll see what I'm saying. You'll see what I'm saying.